Process of any song before it's released: record, mixing, master. Before any song is released, it must go through several processes. Let me show you some of them. Planning. It's always important to have each process planned regarding your song or project. Set dates to record vocals, guitars or mix, master, and even for the release, so you won't lose focus. Being organized is the key. Recording. In this step, you must record all the necessary elements in your project such as voices, guitars, basses, synths. Mixing. Then, when you have all the sounds you need, it's time to mix them up. Put each sound in its place: kick, snare, bass. Mastering. Finally, we have to put the finishing touches on our songs to make them sound much better. The last process has to be more subtle. Remember that the mastering process should never solve problems with the mix.